Are you looking for the best wrinkle cream in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best wrinkle cream that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair. The Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Cream uses the latest in anti-aging technology to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles on your face and neck. It can also reduce other signs of aging. This wrinkle cream from Neutrogena contains a blend of beneficial ingredients to help your skin look smoother and more youthful. It provides quick visible results when compared to many other products. At number 4. RoC Retinol Correxion Deep Wrinkle Anti-Aging Retinol Night Cream. The RoC Retinol Deep Wrinkle Night Cream is designed to work while you sleep to reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and other signs of aging. It comes in a tube for easy dispensing. This night cream from RoC is gentle enough for daily use but still powerful enough to provide visible results. It helps hydrate the skin while giving it a youthful appearance. At number 3. Neutrogena Triple Age Repair Anti-Aging Night Cream. The Neutrogena Triple Age Repair Anti-Aging Night Cream has a thicker formula which makes it ideal for use during your nighttime skincare routine. This cream reduces fine lines, wrinkles, and many other common signs of aging. This night cream from Neutrogena has a pleasant scent that's not overpowering. It's designed to meet the needs of mature skin and can provide visible results with regular use in as little as 4 weeks. At number 2. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Anti-Wrinkle Retinol Under Eye Cream. The Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Cream is designed to be used under the eyes. This cream specifically targets wrinkles and other aging concerns around the eyes. This eye cream from Neutrogena was designed to reduce wrinkles on the delicate skin around the eyes. It has a smooth texture and absorbs completely in little time, so you can easily wear it under makeup if desired. At number 1. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Daily Retinol Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer. The Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Daily Moisturizer helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles while moisturizing your skin. It comes in a bottle with a pump which makes it easy to dispense. This wrinkle cream from Neutrogena is designed for daily use. It contains an SPF to protect your skin from the sun and prevent aging issues related to sun damage. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.